Children's Healthcare of Atlanta has been helping patients and the community since 1998. In that time, they have created many programs to help the patients feel as if they are right at home. I took a closer look at the Canine Assistance Program to see how they help the patients rehabilitate.
Canine Assistance has specific dogs with specific duties. They train dogs for patients with seizures, they train for people with mobility troubles, post-traumatic stress disorder, and diabetes.
It's just a way to, while the kids are in the hospital, giving them some fun, taking their mind off of being sick, and giving them a way of just playing. So a kid's job is to be happy and to play, and it's just our way of kind of incorporating a little bit of normal into their everyday life here at the hospital.
The purpose of the dogs is to help the child and the families cope with the situations they're in and help them comfortable around the situations here.
Right now we have 7 dogs in our animal assisted therapy program. We have 3 that work full-time here at Eggleston and 1 that goes back and forth to Scottish Rite in Eggleston. And then we have 3 that are over on the Scottish Rite campus of Children's Healthcare of Atlanta.
So the dogs come by and I think everybody smiles. And you know, they're just very gentle. They seem to be always loving, so I think everybody, no matter how bad of a day they might be having, ends up feeling a little bit better because they're seeing them.
I will say that the biggest thing a dog does to a patient and a family is put a smile on their face. The first thing sometimes you see, the first time you've seen a smile from a patient or from a parent is when that dog walks in the room or they walk in the library and that tail comes up wagging.
The best experience I've had since I got Lancelot with a patient is when we went down to surgery with the patient to get their kidney transplant, and she was very nervous. And we went all the way down to the operating room and she was at peace, nobody cried, the transplant went well, and she actually has applied for a dog herself.
The bond that these dogs have with people, the things that we as people can't do, that a dog can do, I don't know how to describe it, but it is magical. It's amazing.
As you can see, this program is very beneficial for the patients and their families as they go through this tough time in their life. Reporting for WFBNN, I'm Aaron Bart.